Hey guys, going through more of the stuff from the Machinist lot. Taking pictures for Craigslist. You can see we got various boring bars and whatnot. This is for size reference. Some of those are huge. I'm not even sure what some of this stuff is for, but I know it's machining related and probably a little pricey. But all kinds of different pieces there. Stuff I'm not going to use. So it will be going on Craigslist. Hopefully there's some kind of value here. I'm sure there is. But a bunch of oddball pieces and hardware. Some Morse tapers. You know. So, okay, so there's that. Stay tuned for the next batch. Got some other stuff I'm sorting through right now, so I'll throw up something new here in a minute. Thanks, take care.